Hey team, so here's the HeliFire. It's all plugged in, except for the control panel, because I don't have the wiring for that just yet. But the board is all plugged into power. That little thingamy bob down there. I've wired up the monitor cable with some dodgy stuff, but you know, dodgy's the way to go, surely. I've just popped in a new fuse into here, into the monitor chassis. I've tested, make sure that fuse works, and yeah, so we're ready to turn it on. My own prediction is that that fuse is just going to blow again, because I have powered this on before but without the board plugged in, and the marquee light came on but the monitor was dead. That's when I tested the fuse and found the fuse was dead. So I don't know, either the first time I turned it on it blew the fuse and you know the chassis needs work or whatever, which is my prediction, or that fuse has been dead for a long time and therefore we might get a different outcome when I turn it on today. But let's just pop around. Basically we're hoping to see something pop up on the screen here. Thumbs up for some reason. That weird sound you're hearing is our water heater. You know, because we've had this water heater for, well, I think it's been here installed since the early 2000s, maybe the 90s. I think it needs some help, but anyway, it makes that annoying sound. So, let's do it. I'm just gonna plug this thing that's, you know, it's got a step down happening. I'm gonna plug the step down in. The PSU over there will power up. The marquee light should come on, because it did last time. But this time we've got the board plugged in, so see what happens. Either the board blows up, fuse blows, something blows, fire, then the whole arcade burns down and, you know, cool. Let's do it. Okay, yeah. I'm plugging in the power now. I hear the hum of a marquee, probably. Hum of something. It must be the marquee. I don't know if there's meant to be any lights on that board, but I don't see anything. I'm not seeing any net glow on the monitor. Not smelling anything burning yet. Let's see what the monitor is doing. That looks like a big fat nothing. The marquee is on, so that's cool, I guess. I'm going to say that monitor's doing nothing. No static. There's the, whatchamacallit, bezel. Whee! There's a pop. That's what we wanted, I think. That was a power supply, I believe. Well, what else could it be? Definitely pop down there. That's funny. And of all the things to pop, I wouldn't expect the bloody new power supply to pop. But I'm guessing that's the fuse in the power supply. I wonder why to do that. Interesting. Anyway, so that's our outcome. Blown power supply, brand new. And again, hopefully it's just a fuse that can be replaced. Cool stuff. That's the end of the HeliFire video. Very exciting. I still hear a hum, so yeah. So there's still power. The marquee light is on. Oh, no. Okay. The marquee's just getting power directly from the AC. Yeah, the power supply, the blue. Okay, well there you go. And I'll test this fuse to see if it blew. The end. And this is where a snake is meant to appear, according to my dream last night. But anyway, that's it. Bye.